Hello folks, today I show you how to create a web project using NetBeans. And right now you need to download the latest version of Apache NetBeans. For me it's 12.6, and you need to navigate to the file, a new project, and you need to select Java with Maven. And you need to select web application. Project name, just specify the name you want your project to have. Let's say let's call it simple web app. And group ID, it can be any group ID you want your project to have. Let's call it Java master. Version you can leave as default, and package you can also leave whatever you want. Let me call it my package Java master, and click next. And you need to select the server, and to add the server, by default you will have no server selected. You need to download first of all Apache Tomcat, and you need to click to the add, select the server you want. In this video I show you how to do this stuff using Apache Tomcat, because Apache Tomcat is the most popular server nowadays for Java web applications. But you can use anyone you want, Glassfish for example, or Amazon Beanstalk. First of all, you need to download Apache Tomcat. You need to navigate to the Apache Tomcat, download, and click to the tomcat.apache.org, and you can select any version to download. I downloaded already version 9 because version 10 is a new one. It can be unstable for a while, and for version 9 there are more questions and answers on Stack Overflow in case something will go wrong. And you can select any distributions you want. You can use zip archive, you can use installer, etc. I select just zip archive. When I downloaded my Apache Tomcat, I navigate to the folder I downloaded it, and I unzip my folder. As you can see, when I prepared this video, I downloaded 9.0.56, and right now it's already 5.8. So let me just show you on this new version, 9.0.5.8. Let's get back to our NetBeans. Let me just click add, Apache Tomcat, next, and you need to specify server location. It's the folder where you unzipped the Apache Tomcat, and you need to specify. I specify my folder. Here it is. Click open, and you need to enter credentials to create user for Apache Tomcat. It's nothing, you just can create some default, something like root, because if you do it on your local machine, for you it doesn't matter right now which user is to specify. Click finish, and you can select the latest version of Java EE and click finish. And you need to wait some time while your project will be created by Apache NetBeans. Here I have my project. I have a structure for my project. I have already created default folders. I have created for me index.html, which I can use or I can delete. For me, right now, the most interesting one is source packages, and my source packages where I put my Java classes with the logic for my application. And let's create the first Java class. It's Servlet. Let's create firstly package and call it controller. And let's create new servlet. Let's give it a name, something like home servlet. Click next. You need to select this add information to deployment descriptor web.xml. Web.xml is a descriptor how to handle your requests, and in case you won't check this, and you will need to add your servlet to the descriptor manually. Right now NetBeans allows you to add just clicking by this selector, and NetBeans will add your servlet to web.xml, and it will create the web.xml for you. For URL patterns, you can select just absolute pattern like / and that's it. Click finish. And here we have our servlet. And if you navigate to the web pages, you can see that NetBeans created for you a folder webinf and web.xml. Here's our web.xml. Here's our home servlet, which we created. Here's the URL pattern. You can create this web.xml manually, or you can allow NetBeans to create it for you. Okay, right now let's just try to start our application to see if we executed everything correct. Click green button. And here we have servlet, home servlet, add simple web app. If you navigate to NetBeans, you can see that we see this title and this body. You can change, for example, this body to something like, let me show you, something like and let's restart, and you can see we see our hi there message. That's it. That's how we created Java Maven web application using NetBeans. In the next video, we try to add GSP to our application and try to add methods to handle GET and POST requests. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. Bye.